PC cooling fan is one of the cheapest ones I could find that was in stock available. This should be quiet if it's true. It has LEDs. The fan has also a Molex connector, and this is another reason why I bought this. It's very easy to connect this to any computer. You don't need special headers, and they might be too far from the fan. This is everywhere. So you can use either the Molex connection or the specialized the case fan connector, but these are a bit difficult to get to, so I don't know.